Alright, here we are. Up in the mountains.
Here we are, up in the mountains, surrounded by the beautiful snow gums. Smelling the beautiful snow gum smell, among other things.
That's right, what else, Matt?
In Isabel Mary's words, Ali did a fart.
Nice. Alright, let's keep going.
Anyway, so, but it was just so much fun.
Yeah. Awesome.
To the point where it's like, I don't want to wait another 10 years for another one.
Yeah.
The next one will be 38 and everyone, or 37, everyone will be, their lifestyles will have changed completely. Like, pretty much everyone is still unmarried, you know? So,
Here we go. Coming into a little bit of video action.
video action going on.
Oh yeah.
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Charlotte loves videos. Hey, too, bud.
You missed
Oh, I missed that. And again. Hello, Katie. Tomba.
Isabel Mary.
He's just sleeping and we're on the way home. Hi, Mum. That's really pretty. A little bit of video along there. Keep walking.
There's some guys go.
Oh, sorry, after you.
Yeah, okay.